I'm Christina White with BraunAbility, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our Pacifica E2 conversion. Our Pacifica E2 conversion has a fold-out ramp. The ramp deploy and the door opening are connected together, and you can use your key fob to open them out. And this one's also equipped with a mid-row flip and fold seat. When you're not using it, you have it flipped up to give you lots of extra space in the main cabin. To flip it down, you just pull the strap, push it down, and lift it up. This is a regular mid-row captain's chair, and is very comfortable. It'll seat an adult comfortably. When you're done using it, you would just pull the strap in the back, flip it down, and you pull the strap again and lift it up. Very easy. After the wheelchair is in place, you would simply flip down the seat, lift up the back, sit down, and use the standard seatbelt equipped in the vehicle. There's plenty of space for someone in a manual wheelchair to see out the window. And there's plenty of space for two people to sit next to each other in the mid-row seat.